create Instagram stories with Canva. You can get started for free at canva.com. Is that with upgraded membership you get access to more designs, more themes and images and stuff like that. But to find what we're looking for, you can to make things easier, we can choose from the already done templates here and edit them any way we want. And let's see what I'm gonna choose here now. Okay, let's scroll up a bit. Let's choose that one. Choose just to delete the image because we want to use the frame. Then we're gonna go to uploads because we can easily upload our images to Canva. Upload images different ways. You can upload from the desktop here. You can upload through Dropbox and Google Drive and Box. Now, and you can record yourself as well. You can upload videos and audio as well. And I'm gonna scroll down and use this image, Instagram story template that I'm working on. And you can just drag it so it fits in the Okay, so there is the image of me within the frame here. And we can change the text if you want. I'm not gonna do a complete carousel post. I'm just gonna show you how you can. You can say free training here, for instance. And you can resize it or make the text smaller. And you can change the color by clicking here. And then it changed to red. You can remove the button, or you can change the text on the button and so on, and change the text here for whatever you want. And so when adding a carousel post, you have multiple images, of course, that your visitor can swipe on it to see several images after one another. And there's two ways to add a new page to your Instagram story that you already have made, if you like how it looks and so on. And yeah, there are different ways to add more images and stuff. You can just go to elements here and then search for whatever you want to be adding and so on. You want to use, and then it's appear here, and then you edit it and resize it and so on. But when you are satisfied with your Instagram story, you just click on share. There will be several images you create in your carousel Instagram post. They will probably, but there is free unzipping tools online you can use. And then you just follow the instruction and upload your images to your Instagram account. One newbie-friendly way is that you send these images to yourself in Facebook Messenger, and then you log into Facebook with your phone, and then you save all the images to your phone. I have Android, so when I'm adding a carousel post, I choose the option with multiple images, and remember to add them in the correct order, and then you're done. So this is what the Canva tutorial, and Would you like a free training from a 7-figure earner on how he made 7 figures without any website, his own product, without any product of his own? Click the link below, and thanks for watching.